Hello and welcome to a new video of Leetcode Solutions. In this video, we'll be solving this question 2 sum. For this problem, we need to find two elements in an array which sum up to an integer target and return back their indices. One simple approach is brute force, which means try every possible combination. So let's implement this. So at first, we loop over each element in the array using the index, and then we will loop over each other element in the array starting from the next element, and we simply check if the numbers at location I plus number at index j equal the target. We just return their indices. Let's test this, and it looks fine. But let's try a different approach. This algorithm is a polynomial one which has a complexity of O of n squared. We can actually do this in only one pass, so O of n. While we are passing over the array, we can keep how much is remaining to reach the target from the current number. So we subtract the target from the current number and keep this in a hash table with the index. And then we can just check at each element if it exists in the hash table and return these indices. So let's try this. At first, we create a hash table and we go through every element in the array using the index. So if sums of I exists in the hash table, we return the value which was saved in the hash table and the current index. If it does not exist, we add to the hash table what is remaining from the target and the current index. This can also be implemented the other way around. We can save the number itself in the hash table, and then we check here if target minus numbers of I is in the hash table or not. So let's test this. You can see also it works fine. This algorithm has an O of n runtime and O of n space complexity, and let's submit it. And we can see we have a solution which has a very good runtime. And that's it. See you in the next video.